MSI horizontal baler with auto tie and shredder. Hydraulic power pack on the baler is powered by a 30 horsepower 3-phase electric motor. Makes 36 by 30 by variable length bales. Shredder is powered by a 50 horsepower electric motor. Infeed is 30 by 40 inches. Twisters on the tie. We've opened that up for purposes of the video so we can see them in operation. This is the needle rack. Five wires. This includes the wire spools. This is the infeed hopper for conveyor feed. It sits directly atop the shredder. We have removed that for demonstration, but not for safety purposes. We'll now go look at the shredder in operation. This is a 12 knife shredder with 2 hooks per knife. Interior of the baler with the flattening reversing. Cutting cord. And we'll go over here and show the needle rack and twisters in operation. Rack, twisters,